Many TOEFL candidates struggle with the reading test because they don't know how to read efficiently to achieve a high score. If you want to boost your TOEFL reading score, this video is for you. You'll learn 10 proven tips for the reading test that can help you find the correct answers quickly. By the end of this video, you will have a reading strategy that you can use in your TOEFL test. If you want to boost your TOEFL score, check out our TOEFL courses. We'll guide you step by step on how to score high, and you'll get all the templates you need to feel confident on test day. Just click on the link in the description. Let's dive in. Tip number 1 is to completely understand the test format before you start practicing. The TOEFL reading test consists of 2 passages with 10 questions per passage. You have about 18 minutes per passage, including questions. The passages cover academic topics from natural sciences, social sciences, arts, and humanities. TOEFL passages are academic texts, similar to what you'd encounter in university coursework. Each passage tests different reading skills, including vocabulary and context, inference, main ideas, details, and text organization. If you don't understand the format, you'll waste precious time figuring out what to do during the actual test. This is especially crucial because you need all the time you have to find the correct answers. Take time to familiarize yourself with the question types. This way, you can focus entirely on comprehension on test day, which is essential for scoring highly. The next tip is absolutely game-changing. Always scan the questions before reading the passage. When you know what information you're looking for in advance, you can read the passage with purpose and identify relevant details more efficiently. This approach saves you a lot of time. Take a look at this question. According to paragraph 2, what factor contributed most to the growth of e-commerce in the 1990s? If you read this question, you know to pay special attention to paragraph 2 and look for information about e-commerce growth factors while reading. This strategy transforms you from a passive reader into an active information hunter. Instead of trying to remember everything from a complex academic passage, you're reading with specific goals in mind. This helps you locate correct answers quickly. Tip number 3 is essential for time management. Don't attempt to read every single word in detail. The TOEFL reading test contains lengthy academic passages with complex information. If you try to read and understand every detail, you'll run out of time before completing all questions. Instead, scan and skim strategically. To get the main idea of a paragraph, look at the first sentence and skim the paragraph quickly. If you need to find details, scan for them. This strategy can help you to find the correct answers fast. Tip number 4 addresses a common trap that costs test takers valuable points: misreading instructions. TOEFL reading includes various question types, and some have specific instructions that completely change how you should approach them. The most critical are not except questions, which ask you to identify what is not mentioned. For example, a question might ask, all of the following are mentioned as benefits of telecommuting, except. This means you need to find the answer choice that is not mentioned as a benefit, while the other 3 choices are mentioned as benefits. Many test takers miss these questions because they find information supporting an answer choice and select it, forgetting they need the opposite. This can cost you valuable points. By the way, if you want this channel to keep going, write yes in the comments, click like and subscribe. We only make videos if we see that you enjoy watching them. Tip number 5 is crucial because TOEFL reading passages contain advanced academic vocabulary that may be unfamiliar. Don't panic when you encounter unknown words. The key to achieving a high score is using context to determine meaning. Look at surrounding sentences, consider the overall paragraph theme, and use your knowledge of word roots, prefixes, and suffixes. Check out this sentence. The university's comprehensive curriculum, coupled with faculty members' dedication to innovative teaching methods, created exceptional learning opportunities for students pursuing advanced degrees. If you don't know the word comprehensive, examine the context. The sentence discusses curriculum quality, innovative teaching, and exceptional learning opportunities. The word appears alongside positive descriptors like innovative and exceptional. From this context, you can deduce that comprehensive means complete, thorough, or covering all aspects. Tip number 6 is absolutely essential. Learn to recognize when passages and answer choices express the same ideas using different words. In TOEFL Reading, correct answers rarely use identical wording to the passage. The test designers deliberately paraphrase information to check whether you actually understand what you are reading. Take a look at this sentence. The archaeological excavation revealed numerous artifacts from different historical periods, including pottery fragments, metal tools, and decorative items, providing researchers with valuable insights into ancient civilizations' daily life and cultural practices. One of the answer choices might say, discoveries at the dig site included various objects from multiple eras that helped scientists understand how people lived and what they valued in earlier societies. Notice how archaeological excavation becomes dig site, numerous artifacts from different historical periods becomes various objects from multiple eras, and insights into ancient civilizations' daily life and cultural practices becomes understand how people lived and what they valued in earlier societies. Recognizing paraphrasing is crucial for a high score because it helps you find the correct answers quickly. Tip number 7 is eliminate wrong answers. Even when you're not 100% certain of the correct answer, you can often eliminate wrong choices. TOEFL Reading includes common types of incorrect answers that you can learn to identify. Watch out for answers that are too extreme. These are answers using words like always, never, all, and none. Also, look for answers that contradict the passage and answers that are mentioned in the passage but don't answer the specific question. For example, a passage might discuss how some plant species have adapted to drought conditions through various mechanisms. Be careful with answer choices that make absolute statements like these. All plants can survive in desert conditions. Drought never affects plant survival rates. Next, use paragraph structure and organization to your advantage. Understanding how academic passages are organized gives you a significant advantage, especially for questions about main ideas. TOEFL reading passages follow predictable academic writing patterns. Typically, the first paragraph introduces the topic and provides background. Body paragraphs each focus on specific aspects. They often follow a chronological order, cause and effect relationships, or compare and contrast structures. The final paragraph may summarize or present conclusions. Being aware of how passages are structured is essential for a high score because it allows you to navigate passages efficiently and answer organization-based questions correctly. Tip number 9 is don't take notes. Many test takers think they need to write down key information as they read, but this actually wastes precious time. Instead of taking notes, focus on understanding the information as you read. The reading passages remain visible throughout the entire section, so you can always refer back to them. If you are unsure about an answer choice, go back to the passage and take a look at it again. My final tip is simple but crucial. Answer every single question on the TOEFL reading test. The TOEFL scoring system doesn't penalize you for incorrect answers. Therefore, even if you're completely unsure, make your best educated guess. If you're running out of time, quickly scan remaining questions and make strategic guesses. Look for answers that seem most reasonable or eliminate obvious wrong choices before guessing. This tip is particularly important for achieving a high score because every point matters. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. Also, share this video with your friends so they can improve their TOEFL score too. See you in the next video!